Good morning everyone. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to model this table, and I got this table guys from one of the books that I bought from the shop. It's let me show you first. I'm aiming to model this very nice table, and it's I found this table again in this book. It's called let me have a look. It's a new furniture design. It's very nice interior design book. It have lots of beautiful furniture. You can get by $10. That's the book, and the table that I picked for you from that book is just search the name available, and it's sent for a person Lloyd, Ribbon 2004, and Walter Knoll. And the links below take me to the, of course, that's again another website. You can download the SketchUp model for it. Ribbon table 2004, again, Person and Walter. And again, guys, I'm not the owner of any intellectual thing here. All the copyright goes for the guys who designed this table. I'm just here to show the students in architecture and interior design how to model such a beautiful piece of furniture. Again, the websites in the set take me to the official website for Walter Knoll. Nice website, nice, really beautiful furniture they got in here. And again, that's the side elevation from Person Lloyd. I think it's a cooperation story of collaboration. Sorry. So again, guys, I'm just gonna model the table for you. I got the final results from Revit to be something like that. And it's not a fully parametric element. I just kept it as basic as it could. It's just a fixed 1.8 meter by 900 millimeter table. So let's go ahead and do it. First of all, guys, just to start up in Revit a new family, and I'm just usually work with the English metric system. So pick up here the metric furniture, wherever you find it, and hit open. I'm going to keep the default unit system for 800 millimeter, and all I need is again to create an extrusion out of an elliptical. I'm going to place the center here, moving my hand to the right to specify the overall length. I said it's 1800 by 900, so that will be half. That's 900, and half of the 1800 should be around how much? It's 1800, right? So 900 in X, and in Y it should be in 900. Sorry, so it should be 450 here. Come on, give me 450. Okay, 450. Okay, so 450 by 900 giving me like exactly 1.8 by 900 for the overall long and short axis. I'm gonna finish that, and I'm gonna go immediately to the front elevation. Of course, the table will be sitting on the floor, so probably we need to create a reference plane. The reference plane here are not for the parametric purposes, guys. I'm just gonna make it a quick copy of that table. Anywho, so let me just pick this. Let me make it let's say 450 or 400. All right, so the thickness of the table, again, I'm going to create another reference plane. Just too lazy to set that manually from the side. Just go here. I'm going to select this one and make it 30, or actually 25 better. Selecting those guys and just move them up, lock them. Alright, so I'm gonna select this, and I'm gonna go down and place glass material for it. As you can see here, nothing changed. Of course, you need to shade it. That's my table. That's the top panel of it, and now we really need to go to the reference planes. And actually, I'm going to the front elevation, and I will create just for referencing, you know, it's not a parametric. Again, I'm just repeating that. I'm gonna go such a thing like 4 reference planes. So let's say this guy and this guy, just let's see how much. Let's go here 200 mil maybe. and while this dude, let's say 300 mil. Okay, and the same thing here, this guy, I'm gonna add dimension. You can remove the dimension and the constraint, the reference plane I mean, if you want later on, but I'm just gonna ignore them for now. Again, this is not a fully parametric, it's not even a parametric table. It's just fixed with the whatever dimension I just get a good guess on it. It's not an exact dimension, guys. Again, just to show you how to model similar thing. Now I'm gonna go create and then extrusion again and pick line. I'm probably gonna lock, that would be a good idea. I don't like to pick the reference level, so hit tab to the reference level as an architectural element level, but rather reference plane is the better thing to be chosen here. And then, you know, just draw the line here. And then use the fillet command. And I'm gonna make this 100 maybe. And here another 100. Beautiful. Now if you look at the pictures, you will find a little you know, rubber thing that isolate the leg from the ground, and the same thing I'm estimating that have the difference between the frame and the glass panel. So if I look at this dude here, my guess is right. See, there's a little piece here, so it doesn't scratch and it's fixed properly to it. Anyway, back to Revit. So I'm gonna go and offset that and just keep it 10. So that's the offset that, you know, you need for the piece of metal. But again, we need a gap. So I'm gonna give the gap for 10 mil. It's okay. So I'm gonna repeat that again, as you can see, guys. And now I'm gonna hover here, tab, click, and delete. Now I get this frame, as you can see, ready. So finish. Go to reference plane. It's really huge, as you can see. It's okay. Just go create your new reference plane here. 2 of them. And just, you know, make them equal. And create one dude here. I don't know. Just select this dude and make it, let's say, how much? 10, 15? I don't know. Maybe 15 is enough. And of course, they're going to be reflecting both. The same thing because of the equal. Just move that. Lock it, move that, lock it, you know. And that's what really I wanted. So that's just, I think, yeah, beautiful. See, there's a gap here. That's what I want. Now, again, let's do the same thing in the front elevation. So that's the front, sorry, in the left. In left elevation, I'm going to create, again, 2 references here. And 2 references here, and this time I'll make the distance a bit smaller. Let's say, I don't know, let's say maybe DI from here to here. Come on, give me something. No, that's sad. Same thing here. Oops. Okay, no worries. I know how much is this, so I can just create my own reference plane. Oopsie. Great. So this dude here should be 450, of course. Oops, DI. So this guy should be 450. He's just playing tough with us. And of course now I can do whatever I want. And I can make this guy 50 and then this guy 50. This dude have to be the same concept. Instead of 100, whatever this, I'm gonna make it 150, and this guy I'm gonna make it 150 again. Beautiful. That's all. Too big. Oh no, I should probably make them smaller. Now again, create an extrusion and pick Come on, guys. Yeah, for some reason. Okay, I'm gonna trim it. Beautiful. Now you need to offset the same 10. And offset again. Same thing we've done. Select the lower one, actually hover and then click and tab. Now that's it, finish. Too long, I know. Oopsie. Make them equal. I don't need to change, and give them a combined one. It's just a 15 mil, and then just move, and you know what to do. Just lock the faces. Great. See, that's what we want. Almost there, guys. We almost finished. Now what we need is to do the small piece of rubber, and again extrusion. So I'm gonna take a line here. Let's make sure that it's like a 500 mil, maybe, I don't know. Take an offset. I'm gonna make it 30 mil, so it'll be the same thickness as the leg beneath. Select those guys, draw those lines, and oops, trim. Okay, select this, and then pick, and then I don't know. No, wait. Select mirror pick. That's my fault, and tab. And it's gonna be happen like that. Finish. What else? Let's see in 3D. Yep, it's too ugly. And we go to front. Let's fix this. And I can just push that up. And then you need to lock it or not. I'm not gonna flex anything. I'm not gonna change anything. I don't know why I'm locking anyway. And now I'm gonna copy this guy. And probably before I copy, let me see it in 3D. Yeah, it's really nice. Nitpicking here, if you want to make, like really fussy, just go ahead and just create a new material. I don't know, rename, call it black plastic or whatever. Just change the shader of it, and I don't know, I'm not really in material, guys. So now you get this black thing, really nice sitting in here. And go to front, copy, remove the concentrate, and now as beauty as you can see, we got ourselves the legs, as you can see here. Do the same thing in the reference plane, and I'm gonna create a new extrusion. Probably should have created them all in the beginning the same. That's my bad. Anyway, so probably this dude, I don't know, 180 from the center, and then we go offset, and then 30 mil. I have no idea if it's good as a distance or bad. Just assuming it's finished. Is it? Yep, it's nice. So go ahead again, do the same thing. Apply the material for them. So before you do the copy, because otherwise you're gonna do it again. Or apply the plastic material twice, remove the constraint, remove this guy to here, and let's see, voila. Alright. Now that's the table, guys, and it's really as much as close and as quick. To do the same thing, you can have a look at, it's very similar to what we are doing right now in here. It's almost similar to it, and just to show you how to model things quickly in Revit, any type of family you can see, and how to get this model quickly. Any opinion and any suggestion, I'm really happy to have that in the comment. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye bye.